Good morning, children. Today I will explain the addition of 4-digit numbers. I will also explain all the parts of an addition. Children, for the addition, I have taken 4-digit numbers. The first number is 6100. The second number is 4111. The third number is 5234. The fourth number is 3421. We have to add these numbers. See, children, can you say how many addends are there? There are 4 addends. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is called addend. 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 So number of addends 4. Okay. Children, here I have given commas among these numbers, but when you will add there will be no comma. You have to remember that. Okay. So after addition, the result part is called sum. Now we have to add these numbers. Children, when we will add, we will start adding from our right side. What is the first digit? 0, nothing. The second digit is 1, so I have drawn here 1 line. The third digit is 4, so I have drawn here 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last digit is 1, so I have drawn here 1 line. So how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have written over here 6. Now go to this column. The first digit is 0, nothing. The second digit is 1, so I have drawn here 1 line. The third digit is 3. 1, 2, 3. The last digit is 2. 1, 2. So how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have written 6. Now go to this column. What is the first digit? 1. The second digit? 1. The third digit? 2. The fourth digit? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have written here 8. Now go to this column. What is the first digit? 6. So I will draw over here 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second digit is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The third digit is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last digit is 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many lines are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have written over here 18. So what is the answer? The answer is 18,866. Children, in this class, I am not explaining what are addends and what is the sum. You go to my channel and check out the video addition of 3-digit numbers. Okay, in that video I have explained briefly what are addends and what is the sum. Okay, children, you practice well. Thank you.